Hey there! So today we're going to put together a newsletter, and the industry that we are working in is the health, wellness, and therapy industry. So we're going to pull some relevant sources, we're going to upload some good graphics, and do a little bit of design, set everything up, and get it sending. So first things first, we are going to hop over to design. I am going to add a header that I put together, so I'm just clicking here, go to my desktop, and here is my header. So pushing send, wellness, therapy, and healthy living. And I'm just going to change a few things. I'm going to turn on the subscribe link that shows up right here. So that way, anytime anyone forwards my email to someone else, that person can easily subscribe. I'm going to change the date here because I like to see the day of the week. Just going to go ahead and hit send. I am going to come down here to article settings, and I'm just going to turn this up a tiny bit. I like there to be around 10 articles, but you can choose whatever you want when you set up yours. Hit save there, come down to send settings. So right now we have the subject line set as AI generated, which is a great tool to use. It gives every person the subject line based on the article that they're going to see first, and there's more to that algorithm there. But for me, I want to do my own, so I'm going to write be healthy, stay happy. I might come back to that, I might switch it around, but for now I want it to be really clear what this newsletter is about. So now I'm going to go head over to content, and you can see I've added a couple articles in here already just so we can take a look. And I am going to add one more individual article. So this is an article I found, and I'm going to add that right there. Go ahead and fetch that, and all the appropriate information gets pulled in here. I'm going to just shorten this a little bit. Just goodtherapy.org. That looks good. Good image. Okay, go ahead and add that. And now I want to add some sources. And as you can see, the only one I have here is this manual entry. So that's just me manually adding individual articles. But I want there to be a continuous feed of articles being added to my newsletter. So I'm going to go to the content library because that's just the easiest way for me to do it. I'm going to go by category, health and medicine, and I'm just going to go down here and take a look at each subcategory and add that way. So let's see. Depression, I think that fits my newsletter. Fitness, health and medicine, health industry, health information. Let's see, anything else in here looking good? Mental health for sure. Mind and brain. Anything else? Personal health, definitely. Preventative medicine, maybe. We'll see what that pulls up. Psychiatry, definitely. Public health, that could be good. Anything else? I think weight loss. I think those are good. So let's see. We got 15 different sources we can choose from here. Kaiser Health News, Huffington Post. I am going to add, let's see, Huffington Post Personal Health. I like that one. Science Daily, Public Health. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to do Public Health just yet. Prevention, Fitness. Yeah, that sounds good. Discover Magazine, Mind and Brain. Let's see, anything else looking particularly good? Prevention, weight loss. Okay, those look good for now, and I'm going to go ahead and review my selections, add 4 sources, and there we go. I've got my sources in here, and now my newsletter is pretty much all set to go. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So here is an example of what my newsletter will look like, and you can see with each different recipient, they get a different set of articles based on their interests. And there you have it. We've set up our newsletter.